What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, so today we were out with the car and I heard a noise coming in from this way, so we're gonna check the jack is ready and try and see if the wheel bearing is out. So this is about it. We check the car till the wheel can move. So as you can hear, the car sounds like the bearing is out, or the hub. Let's look at this. This is not safe, guys. This sounds like something is loose, but the wheel is intact. But it does sound like something is loose inside. So look at this, guys. This is a sign of a bad wheel bearing, or the hub complete. So we're gonna need to sort this out. Okay. While I'm at it, I wanna check what's wrong with the door.